Welcome everybody to this tutorial. In this video guys, I'm going to give you the best solution to fix your problem right now on your Twitch. So let's learn how to fix it. All what you have to do guys is to open your settings of your device. Go click right now on your apps option and here search for Twitch. Click on Twitch like this. You will find right now this list. Scroll it down and click on your storage option. Here guys, on your storage option, click clear cache in the corner of the screen. Go back after that, click on force stop and click right now OK. So after doing that, you just have to come now to Play Store or App Store, update your Twitch on the last version and go right now restart your device, and that's it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.